Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Guys, in front of you HP LaserJet printer, 3-in-1 printer. This printer's model is 1217 and 3-in-1, same like other HP 3-in-1 printers, and there is a tuner inside. The tuner number is 85A or 83. This is a tuner number. What is the problem? If you find ever in type of this printer 1102 or there is another printer 1005 or 3-in-1 printers, any printer that have cartridge 85A and printer is showing that install black cartridge, there is cartridge inside. Okay, I will show you what is the problem. There is cartridge inside and printer is showing still that install black cartridge. We changed the tuner, multiple tuners, but still printer is showing install black cartridge. So what is the issue? If you ever see this problem, even these memory connecting points also connected that read the memory chip of the tuner. In this printer, what is the problem? That's what I'm going to explain today. Whenever you find this problem, you have to find out the issue that is showing creating cause the cartridge is not available. There is one sensor on the back side. Okay, this is a paper path. Actually, when paper pick up from the tray, and it's travel through this paper path and it straight away to the feeder unit. Right behind this feeder roller, okay, there is one sensor. So you have to make clear with the help of any visiting card or any card that will help you to insert like this. Insert a card here, find any debris or anything inside. In this printer there is something stuck in the behind this is the one we have to find out. Okay, let me remove this debris. If I will show you in that printer, this is thing is stuck. You have to remove. You have to find in your case. It can be a piece of paper, it can be anything. So you have to find out what is behind in this paper path and just release this, then we will check. This was the tweezer that was stuck inside. Okay, but still I will find something more with the help of this visiting card. If there is anything stuck in the sensor. Yes, I think the sensor is clear now. There is no debris inside. Hopefully. Okay, I will just install the tuner and check. Okay, look, it's initializing. Before it was not initializing, it was showing message install tuner cartridge. This was the stuck inside the sensor, and now if printer is in ready state, it's not showing that install tuner cartridge. Hope you understand it. I will repeat once more. Simply, whenever you see this message, you have to find out something maybe stuck in the sensor, paper or any plastic debris inside. It can go with the paper feeder. When you give the paper command, something on the paper will go inside. So you have to clear this path. There is sensor one behind this. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.